Hello babes, it's me, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. Today is Mother Pat's birthday. That's right, Dame Mother Pat McGrath turns another year wiser and darling. We are celebrating in a major way by doing this look using all of Mother Pat's products plus a little help from some friends. So if you want to see how this look turns out step by step, keep watching, babes. Brown Girl Bella. So we're going to begin our love affair of all things mother for her birthday with her primer. So we're gonna put that on. And as I always say, I do love her primer, but don't love the packaging. Followed by her foundation, which I use MD24. Time for another one. So I don't know what your favorites are from Mother Pat. As you all know, I have quite a few, so we're going to go through some of them today, but I have everything, so you already know not everything is going to be featured. But I will say, when she came out with this foundation, I fell in love because it is so skin-like, and for those like me who love for their skin to kind of take center stage, not so much the makeup that you're wearing, but your actual skin, and then whatever makeup you put on is more like an enhancement to that. This product is definitely for you. It's lightweight but buildable, so you can get it to a medium coverage, which is where I'm going with it right now. And that's why I kind of heavied up on the pumps of foundation, because I wanted it to look really skin-like. Oh, look, we got our first traveler for the spring, summer. I don't normally get breakouts, so having one is really strange. Use my Sonia G brush just to blend that all in. We're going to mimic one of my favorite looks with Pat McGrath. And if you follow me on Instagram, which I hope you do, Brown Girl Bella, I kind of showcase this look, but we're going to pump it up a little bit and do some slight twists and turns with this look. So prepare to be dazzled, darling. Prepare to be bellified. So prepare to be bellified by this look. It's going down today. My favorite palette, Mother Pat's Mothership number 8. And this one is called Divine Rose 2. Gotta love it. It's the perfect spring into summer, into fall type of look. And I'm going bold, baby. So I'm gonna start with Rose Seduction. Oh yeah, we're taking it there today. And normally I would put something down again to like adhere it a little bit more and tone this boldness down. But today we want to go bold, baby. We want to go super bold. This works wonders to just get right in that crease and create that perfect V. And don't worry if you go a little bit over the lines and get a little cray cray. Nothing a little concealer can't conceal. Like that pun? Next we're going to go in with the Repper number 2 brush, and this is my favorite one for like packing onto the lid, which we're doing with VR Extraterrestrial. There we go. And again, this is one of my favorite colors. We're gonna go now into one of my other favorite shades. I just dropped something, you know, it's not my channel if I'm not dropping ish like a pigeon. So we're gonna go into Celestial Odyssey Quad. That is this one, and my favorite shade in here is this one right here, which is called Alien Moon. Look at how it picks up where VR Extraterrestrial kind of leaves off, and it just gives it like an outer worldly effect. And run that all the way across as well. Girl, Danessa Myrex. And this one is called Amethyst, which is also like a pink and green shade. And I'm going to throw that right in the waterline. This color right here, which is called Golden Aurora. I'm going to use this angled brush here, W36. And we're going to use this to just give that top underneath the brow and going down to the crease. Just give it a little bit more definition. Big Mothership. We're going to use this color right here at the very top, very first row. Skin Show Rose Opal. So we're going to use my little pencil brush. We're just going to give the inner corner just a little help, just a little pop. Let's put some powder underneath those eyes. This is Mother's powder in yellow. Perfect for us caramel cuties. Time for Mother's blush. And for this blush, I'm also gonna go a little bold, but I'm gonna use a softer hand because this is Electric Bloom. So she's bright. She's bright, bright. And I'm gonna use my new favorite brush. This is from the Hanoki set, using the Hanoki wood. This is Sonia G. And then because Mother does not have yet any bronzers yet, we're going to use Golden Bronze from Dior to sculpt those cheekbones. And don't forget that jawline. We don't want no double chins in our photos today. And then a little on that forehead. Make it a 3 head. Let's throw on some wispy lashes. Alright, so I'm back with the completed look. For the lips, I am using Mother Pat's Beauty Junkie. And for the blush, I did use the Electric Bloom, which I think I showed you, but I will show it to you again. Electric Bloom looks like this. Now, let's finish off the look with a little highlighter. For highlighter, I'm bringing out Mother's Big Dog. This is her highlighter in Champagne Gold. You might remember this, her Sublime highlighter. And I'm just gonna grab my Repper fan brush, one of my favorites to use for this product, just because it is so light on the skin. It just gives me a nice summer kiss of gold, a little on the Cupid's bow, and that's it. We are finished. Now I'm going to just set my face with a little Charlotte Darling, another British babe. Hold, please. And now we are done, and you have now been bellified.